What's going on, everybody? I'm going to show you how you can make these little bushes today. Now we're going to start off with our baling twine. And just cut us little strips of it. You're going to take your little strip and you're going to take your super glue on the end of your strip here. I'm going to dab you some super glue on there to hold that all together. Just pretty much on the end. About like so. Once your glue's all dry, we're just going to take and pour all out. Work it around. Smashing it around. Kind of lifting her up where you want it at. I just kind of smash them around, floof them around. If you have some scragglers, you can trim them off. But then you get your look like that. You take your what's going to be your bush over to the spray paint. Obviously, give her a coat or whatever floats your boat. I went with the green, and then while your paint's still wet, I like to take some of my ground cover stuff. Once you sprinkle your ground covers on there, you pretty much got you a bush. I set them down. I got a board back here I set them on, let them dry. And then once they're dry, I take a little bit of my brown paint. And you don't have to do it this way. Most people just stick them down in the ground, but like on my done ones, I'll put a little bit of brown down here on the bottom to kind of give you that trunk look. And that's how I make my budget baling twine bushes.